Thinking about booking a trip in the future and wanting something different? Try Airbnb. Today I'm going to share with you how to set up an account and how to search for different things through Airbnb to give you that unique vacation experience. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring this resource to you. So when you go to Airbnb, you would just type Airbnb, just like this here, in your browser, and it will take you to this page. If you've not signed up before, you can look over here on the right and click on the person with the 3 lines. There is a sign up, and if you were to sign up, it will walk you through the steps, but since I already have an account, I'm going to log in with my Google account and go into my Airbnb account. So once you have logged into your account or set up an account, you'll see your picture up here. You'll know this is you're logged into your account. The easiest way to get started is you can scroll down and they will give you locations nearby, maybe if you want to go on a short weekend trip, or if you want an outdoor getaway, unique stay, a home, or maybe you have a pet you want to take with you. It will narrow it down this way. So I'm going to click on the unique stays because I always like looking at these because they're very interesting. So as you will see, it will bring up the map here where we currently are, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And it will narrow it down to this area with more of unique stays. And it even gives you the prices right here on these. And if you hover over with your mouse, you'll see where those locations are. So I'm just going to click the first one that's on there, and it is a tiny house, and it will come up and it shows you all the different pictures of the house, and you can click show all photos and it will show you all of the pictures listed, and you can even click on each one to make them larger and scroll through that way also. But it gives you the options, and then as you scroll down, it gives you the price. It also gives you reviews that other people have stayed there and the reviews. Here is where you could check availability. So I'm just going to pick these dates down here that are already available. As you can see, if they're not available, they're crossed out. If they are available, they're solid. So I'm just going to pick these 2 days just because they're available. And then what it will do, it will come up, it will show you the price per night, if there is a cleaning fee or a service fee. So for one night, my total is $177. So if you want to see more information about the home itself, it says that it has 3 guests, 1 bedroom, 2 beds, and 1 bath. It also gives you information about the person that's hosting. So if you click that, it will take it down to the information about the host. It will give you reviews of the host, and it shows that the identity has been verified and that this person is a super host. So if you see this little medal here, you know that this person has hosted a lot and has had great reviews. You can click right here and it will send a straight email to that person. It will give you all of the rules, and most of them will have show more, and it will pop up and give you the rules for the house. And a lot of them have the extra clean information. They're committed to enhanced cleaning process due to COVID. If you click the show more, it'll also give you more information there. And then most of them have a free cancellation up to so many days before you take your visit. So that's the general overall. You will not know the exact location where the place is. You will know the general area because they don't want people driving out there, but you know this is where that place is located. And then you can narrow it down. You can look at all the reviews and see how they were reviewed. And then if you decide that's what you want, all you do is you click reserve. And then once you click reserve, it will give you the information for your trip, your credit card information, cancellation policy, and then you will click confirm and pay. So I'm going to go ahead and go out of this. And so say you wanted something different than this. If you go back to Airbnb, so say you're going someplace like Las Vegas, and I just clicked it in, I put a date with 2 guests, and what it will show you is the map again. It will show you areas, and you can determine by type of place if you want. If you want the entire place, a private room, a hotel room, or a share room, you can determine that there. So let's just say the entire place and click save, and that will filter it out for you. If you want more filters, you can determine by beds, bedrooms, bathrooms. If you only stay with someone that's a super host, you could do that, or certain amenities that you're looking for. So you can add all those filters for those. So I'm just going to pick one here. We'll pick this one right here. And then you can click it to open it up, and it still takes you through the whole listing the way it is. These fees vary depending on the person that is hosting, and you can email them even before you set it up. But one thing you can do, which is great, is you have the save button. So if I click save, I can make up different lists of where I want to go, or maybe things that I just want to look at for certain dates and save them. So I could make one that says Las Vegas and then click create. And if I click the save button, I can save it to Las Vegas. So when I go to my account, it will be in there under Las Vegas. So that's a pretty quick overview of Airbnb. It's pretty simple to learn how to use. You do have other opportunities for experiences, online experiences. They've added some different things due to COVID this year. So check it out, and hopefully you will find your next cool vacation location. Thanks.